Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok app, and right now I will show you how to create a mention for your another video under the newly created TikTok. Let's check the result. So guys, let's open the TikTok application right now, and we need to create a new TikTok after tapping on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. I will tap on this central K to create a new video as an example. Let's tap on the check mark here and on the next, because I only need to show you how to create a mention to your previous videos under a newly created TikTok. So how to do it? If you will choose the hashtag, you will create hashtag, usual hashtag. If you will tap on the mention, you can mention it and tag some people or some account. But after clicking on the videos option, you can mention your video. You can create a link to your previous TikToks under the newly created one. So after, you can go to the posted section. So it's only your TikToks on your profile. After tapping on the liked, you can choose any other TikToks from your liked section and from your favorites. I will use the posted section because I want to link my new under my new video old one, this one as an example. As you can check, this is the mention label you will get after the posting. Let's post it. And right now we will check the result. Let's go to our profile, and this is the last video. Let's click on it, and as you can check here is the mention to your previous TikTok. Let's tap on it. And our old TikTok was smoothly opened. Guys, I hope that this very easy and short tutorial was definitely useful. Don't forget to like this tutorial below if it was, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides and secret options of the TikTok. Goodbye guys, good luck!